Hello and good afternoon from South Cambridge here in the United Kingdom. I've been searching for a long time for a new Mac. I looked at the M3 Max last year. I currently have I did have the M1 Max and I wanted to upgrade. M4 Max was announced and I thought, right, that's the one for me. So I watched loads and loads of YouTube videos looking at all the wonderful reviews. It's not what I thought. The M4 Max and what it sounds like, it actually took me by surprise when the fans kicked in. My M1 was so quiet all the time, and when the fans came on, it was almost inaudible. This is what it was like whenever I opened Lightroom and it had to build, I think maybe 1,000 previews. I swapped over yesterday. Here it is. If anybody's wondering about the fans on the MacBook M4 Max, well, they're pretty loud. My M1 never made sounds such like this. I just opened my Lightroom. It had to build some previews. I think there was 1,000 photos in that library, and it hissed like a wind turbine for about 4 minutes. So yes, I have got this set to high power mode, which is kind of why I got it, because I do lots of video editing, loads of photos, heavy workload. The spec on my M4 Max is 64 gig of RAM because I couldn't afford 128 and 2 terabyte hard drive, and the CPU is fully specced out. Now, I've seen all these other YouTube videos about how amazing this is and how fast it is, and I'm sure it is quick, but I kind of like quiet when I'm working, especially when I'm going through photos or exporting videos. I like that silence. There's something about it. And when the fans kicked in, I was kind of like, oh no, this is Intel days of fan noise. And I don't particularly like it. My M1 has gone back to Apple as a trade-in, so I'm stuck with this. But it's just a warning to you if you are sensitive to fan noise. I know people can say you can put it in low power mode. It's not the point. It's not what I want to do. I didn't expect it to be this noisy. The machine is nice. It looks good. I've seen lots of people talking about the Nano Glass, and every single YouTuber that got these sent out for free were saying how wonderful the Nano Glass is. I've stuck with the normal screen. I like a bit of contrast, and I've seen 1 or 2 other conflicting reports about it. Don't know how good it is. Don't have it. Just a normal screen for me. Anyway, there you have it. I was not going to do a drawn out video on the M4 itself. I just wanted to share the fan noise. Am I overreacting? For me, probably not. Whatever you're doing for the rest of the day, have a good one, and I will catch you later. Done.